Welcome to the live bench evaluation of the Renesas RX65N Dali2 lighting system solution. RX65N Smart Lighting Control Solution, a DALI-supported lighting control platform for seamless integration in smart home, commercial, and industrial applications. It enables efficient dimming, color control, and real-time energy monitoring, simplifying installation and enhancing interoperability. Applications: commercial and industrial lighting, smart home automation, street lighting control, emergency lighting systems. The lab setup consists of a DALI gearboard and 2 DALI control gear. Get access to the masterboard through AWS to flash the firmware and test it. Click Plug in to connect to the real hardware and begin evaluation. This section includes the input controls for the live bench evaluation on the left and displays the evaluation output on the right. Need extra guidance? Activate Assist Me mode for step-by-step instructions and additional insights into the evaluation process. See the simulation in action with live video, streaming the entire lab setup in real time so you never miss a detail. The AWS demonstration feature allows you to evaluate your firmware's performance on an actual DALI hardware setup. By clicking on this Renesas GUI window, you will get access to the DALI AWS web application, where you can configure control gear, control device, send DALI command, and many more. In the remote deployment feature, you can upload a custom AWS application based on your requirement. Click on the quick guide to set up a custom PHP AWS application on AWS. If you need detailed assistance, click on Dali2 RX Application Controller document link. Upload AWS private key, device certification, AWS endpoint name, and AWS IoT thing name. Click on Build to build the project, and Update to flash the firmware to the DALI hardware. Need more details? The hamburger menu gives you access to the complete user manual and additional resources. Curious about other live bench projects? Click the home icon to explore more exciting designs. Need help? Use the AI-powered knowledge assistant to get instant answers for any question related to the lab or from the data sheets. Here is an example. Thank you and happy evaluation.